stand, press and twist. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint the rose. For the painting I take the flat brush number 10. You can use the flat brush number 12. Load up one edge of the brush with the light purple color and other edge with the dark blue color. Blend these colors on the palette. And now let's paint the petals for the rose. I use tempera paint, you can use acrylic paint. And now let's paint some petals inside, in the upper part, like this. Now let it dry. Let's paint some small flowers. I take the flat brush number 6. You can use the flat brush number 4. Load up one edge of the brush with the white color and other edge with the beige color. Blend these colors on the palette. And let's paint some flowers. Now we will paint the sketch for the grass. With the same flat brush number 6, I load up one edge of the brush with the green color and other edge with the dark blue color. Blend these colors on the palette. And we will paint the strokes like this. Here and here. And a little bit here. Let it dry. Let's take the flat brush number 10 again, load up one edge of the brush with the same purple color and other edge with the white color. Blend these colors on the palette and let's make some strokes in the center like this. And paint the stroke like this. Stand, press and twist. Paint these strokes on this big petal. Stand, press and twist. Let's paint here like this. And now we will paint the same stroke here. Stand and press and twist. And I think we will paint the third stroke the same way. This here. And let's make some short strokes here in this part of the petal. And now let's paint a stroke, a little bit strokes in upper part, like this. They are short. And short strokes like this. And maybe here. And let's make some strokes here. Let's take the small round brush. I take the liner and the white color. We will outline our petals on the rose. Like this. Here is our rose. I hope you like it. See you. Bye.